guys, I'm here. I'm gonna do something interesting. I created a challenge myself. It's the milk challenge. Ultra milk. Not that. I see it upside down, but see this video in the mirror, and I'll assure you you'll be fine. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna drink as much milk as possible. So let's start. I'll be back with you when I'm ready to drink as much milk as possible. I think I'm gonna be sick. I don't know. Just wait a sec. Okay, I'm back. I'm ready to drink the milk. Wait a sec. Gonna drop this down. Damn it. Good. Ow. Alright. Oh, damn. I have to get that one. Okay, so. Wait a sec. It's down there. And you know, I'll just hang it up. There. Come on. Okay. First bottle. Oh. Sorry, I have to pause that a little bit. Wait, get a bump. I'll be back when I burp. Okay. First milk, finish. Okay. This is so. Damn it. Then, second bottle. This is how I drink milk every day. Drink milk every day. Pretty much, yeah. I'm already. This is only the second bottle. What is this thing? Got no idea. Guess what? I got the second bottle of milk. And it says here, like milk every day. Well, looking at the mirror, watch this video in the mirror. Yeah, it says ultra milk. Full cream milk, easy bersih, 200 milliliter, whatever that is, I don't even know. Ultra milk is whatever. I'm not gonna read that. It's too long. I mean, who wants to read that? Anyways, thanks for watching, and thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment down in the description below. Wait, no, not in the description below. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? Anyways, please give a like and subscribe. It's making me hate milk. Please subscribe to my stomach. It's gonna barf any second now. I'll try my best not to throw up, and see you guys later. Bye, Canadians.